Billy Bandicoot, but at the end of the tape.
I rang the animal switchboard. I wanted to talk to some of my friends. Called the animal switchboard. Dialed them up, and what did I get?
This is number 62. How today can I help you? Oh, let me guess, it starts with A. You're after alligator, I would say. Or is it Bandicoot? He would do. He's on number 42.
I rang the animal switchboard. Wanted to talk to some of my friends. Called the animal switchboard. Dialed them up, and what did I get?
You're after Crocodile 63. I'll connect you, wait and see. And D's for Dingo, he's engaged. You'll have to hold or have him paid.
I rang the animal switchboard. Wanted to talk to some of my friends. Called the animal switchboard. Dialed them up, and what did I get?
Calling Mrs. Elephant. Well, just hold on a tick. I've got Mr. Fox on hold and he'll be just a sec. Gorilla's line is busy. Would you please call later on? Because Mrs. Hippo's ringing and I must go grab that phone.
I rang the animal switchboard. Wanted to talk to some of my friends. Called the animal switchboard. Dialed them up, and what did I get?
You're ringing for the insects. Their line is engaged. Who's calling for the jackal, who sounds so enraged? The kelpie's phone is ringing, but they haven't picked it up. I think they're at the lions with their brand new baby pup.
I rang the animal switchboard. Wanted to talk to some of my friends. Called the animal switchboard. Dialed them up, and what did I get?
You'd like Mrs. Magpie? Well, I'll ring her on line 1. And you are calling for the newt. They're no longer on the phone. The ocelots are not at home. You'll have to call again, or I'll connect you to the possums. They're living with their kin.
I rang the animal switchboard. Wanted to talk to some of my friends. Called the animal switchboard. Dialed them up, and what did I get?
I think the quail's phone is down. I've tried their line 6 times. Unless they're with the rhino, who is always on line 9.
The sheep are unavailable. They've gone outside to graze. And the turkeys and the unicorn are both tied up these days.
You want to speak to vermin? They don't live with us.
I'll put you through to Wallaby, so don't make such a fuss.
I've disconnected X and Mrs. Yak is phoning out.
Which reminds me to ring Zebra before he begins to shout.
I rang the animal switchboard. Wanted to talk to some of my friends. Called the animal switchboard. Dialed them up, and what did I get?
We suddenly are quite busy here.
Our switchboard is alight.
The animals ringing it out.
All hours of the night.
We get their barks and squells and cries.
And howls and yaps and bays.
The lines light up.
Our phone's gonna ring, it's busier each day.
I rang